In this video, you will learn about the Schoolcraft College admissions process and what to expect. Schoolcraft is an open admissions school, which means that our application is open all year round, and there is no deadline to apply. There is no cost to apply, and you will be admitted regardless of GPA or scores. Once you submit your application, you will be admitted within a week, unless we need additional documentation from you to confirm items on your application. So, make sure to check your email consistently after applying. Ready to apply? Here is where you can find our application. Go to schoolcraft.edu/apply. This will bring you to our admissions page that describes how to apply for each type of student at Schoolcraft. For now, you can click Apply Now, and that will bring you to our admissions application. To get started, click Start Application. You should see 5 different application types. The first one is dual enrollment. If you are currently in high school and would like to take college classes while you are still in high school, select this option. There are special admission steps for dual-enrolled students, so make sure you are talking to your high school counselor about those steps. The second application type is general application. Select this if you are a new student, transfer student, or if you have previously attended Schoolcraft and would like to reapply. The third application type is guest student. Select this if you are currently enrolled at another college or university and are just planning to take a course or two at Schoolcraft as a guest. The fourth application type is non-degree student. Select this if you would like to take any of our credit courses for personal enrichment and do not plan to earn a certificate or degree. The fifth application type is SC Edge Early Middle College. If you are currently a high school student and have received the special invitation to apply as an SC Edge student, select this option. Now that you have selected your application type, you can now create an application account by filling out the following fields. When filling out your personal information, please do not use a school or college email address when filling out the email field. This is because you will eventually lose access to that email, and there also may be firewalls in place that could keep important information from being sent to you from Schoolcraft. Please use a personal email address that you will have continual access to instead. At Schoolcraft, we have 4 semesters in the academic year: winter, spring, summer, and fall. You can select which semester you would like to start in the first field. The answers will show you which month of the year that each semester starts. Next, select the career and educational pathway that your program of interest would fall under. For example, if you are interested in nursing, it would fall under the umbrella term of health professions. If you do not know what you want to study yet, or if you would like to take just your general education classes at Schoolcraft, you can select Undecided, General Studies, Associate Degree. You can then select the specific academic program that you would like to start. We have different types of pathways. Skill certificates are certifications that you can gain in a short amount of time. They may take 1 to 2 semesters to complete. Certificates are certifications that may take a longer time to complete than skill certificates. They can take 2 to 3 semesters to complete. Associate degrees are designed to prepare students for employment or transfer upon completion. They can take 4 to 5 semesters to complete. Once you have answered all of the questions, you can click Create Account. Don't stop here, though. You will be brought to the actual admissions application, where you will need to fill out the rest of the fields and finally submit your application. Once you submit your application, you will be admitted within a week, unless we need additional information from you. Once we have everything we need from you to confirm your application details, we will admit you and you will receive an admissions email and admissions letter in the mail. It is important to save these because they will have your student ID number and important information on what your next steps will be before you can register for classes. If you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Admissions and Welcome Center at Schoolcraft College. We are happy to assist. Contact our office at admissionsschoolcraft.edu or 734-462-4683. Welcome to Schoolcraft College.